Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a video a little bit different. As you can see here, I'm in my old room. I'm in Rome in my parents' house. I wanted to do a little haul of all the luxury items I got while being here in Italy. As you may know if you follow me on Instagram, I really like shopping and luxury items, and here in Italy I know a few outlets where you can get luxury items for cheaper, not for cheap, but for cheaper. So at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you more about this outlet, where you can find them, and I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for everything. But let's start right away with the video. I'm gonna show you what I got at Prada. I'm sitting on the floor, so it's gonna be a little hard. First off, sorry, I have a few bags from Prada. First off, I got this sangallo, which is a kind of lace skirt. Okay, it's this like pastel yellow, very cute. I really like it because even though summer is over, you can always use it, and I mean I love this color. Then to go with the skirt, I got, oh no, this is something else. I'm gonna show you at the end what I got for my husband, for Henry. But first, what I got for me, I got this shirt that I think this color, maybe you will call it turquoise. It's a really good contrast. Obviously I have to iron it, but with the yellow from the skirt, and it's a mixture of silk and wool, so it's perfect for mid-season like autumn or spring. Very cute. You can see here there's a little bit of this ruffle here, and I love the sleeves. Next, it's not Prada, it's Miu Miu, but it's the same outlet, so you can find both brands. Pair of shoes. I have no idea how I'm gonna bring this back to the United States because they're so heavy, and I mean at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you how much I spent for these shoes, and they were so cheap that it's incredible. So I mean, look how cute is the box inside. So cute. That's how it looks inside, and I already know I'm gonna wear these shoes maybe like 3 times, but they were so cheap and so nice that I had to have them. Here they are. Okay, can you see them? I hope you can. I mean, they're very classic, made in Italy, it says inside. I don't know if you can read it, probably not, but it says it on the bottom too. Very classical, again very summery, but I'm gonna use it for a couple more months until it gets very cold, and then I'm gonna use it next year, hopefully. I don't usually wear a lot of heels, but I have a lot of heels. That was it for Prada Miu Miu part. Let's move to Gucci. Gucci is crazy expensive, so even though it's like an outlet, it was still kind of expensive. I really fell in love with a shirt. I'm gonna put it now, but it was 600 euros, way too much money for me for a shirt, but I still dream about it. So here's the box. I'm gonna open it with you. I mean, I fell in love with a purse from Gucci too, but it was too much money, more than I wanted to spend, especially because we're doing renovation in the house. I don't know if you noticed my hair is straight because I've cut them yesterday. Okay. Ooh, what's gonna be inside? If I only could open it. Okay. So it's a scarf, and I like it because I don't like when they have their brand like Gucci right here, but it's very subtle. I'm gonna open it. You see there is a G, and it's 100% pure silk, and it obviously made in Italy, and as you can see there are all little flowers like this, which I love. Blue is my favorite color, and I like it with the red, and I love that the G, you can only see it when it's all open, and obviously it has the little tag here. It says Gucci. Yep, here it is. Next, we have a purse. I couldn't resist. So this is the outlet where I got it, and it's from Chloè. Maybe in English you say Chloe. probably you say Chloe. In Italy we say Chloè, especially because it's a French brand. So as you can see here, it's the brand. I can't remember the name of the model, but I'm gonna Google it and I'm gonna write it in the video somewhere. So here's the bag. I'm so excited, especially because I'm gonna open it with you. Here it is. I'm gonna take all this plastic off with you. Oh, yes, thank you. And this part too. And this part too. I mean, this purse, I fell in love. I saw it and the color is this reddish lobster kind of color. And it's big. I like big bags that I can fit a lot of stuff in it. Yes, this. And inside you have a bigger one, longer one that I have to open it. And so much space inside. A lot of pockets. He has a pocket here, as you can see, and a pocket on the other side, and then you have a pocket here outside. And I mean, I love Chloe or Chloe, I'm not sure how you pronounce it in English, but yeah, love it, love it, love it. So now I'm gonna show you one more thing that I got for myself. I know it doesn't sound like a lot of stuff, but for me it was a lot. I got from a more cheapish store. It's called CookingCakeShow. If you ever happen in Italy and you're looking for some nice shopping, or these shorts that I love how they match that blue Prada shirt that I got. Obviously I have to iron these two. I don't like to iron clothes, but they're linen and they're so comfy. I hope you can see them. I'm definitely gonna put more videos of it. And that's it. And now to show you what I got Henry, my husband. So Prada, I got him a polo. Okay. Nice, very classic. Okay. And then I got him something at Hugo Boss, as you can see. A shirt that you won't believe how much I paid. Okay. Long sleeve and everything. And that was it for my shopping. Now I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for everything, and then I'm gonna tell you more infos about the outlets I went to. So let's start from the beginning. Prada skirt, I paid $80. It used to be $400, but it was 50% off or something, and then there was an extra 20 or 30. Now I don't remember, it was 2 weeks ago, but I paid $80 for it. So I mean, very, very nice, especially because it's 100% cotton. And then we move on to this shirt from Prada too. I paid $90. It's a little bit more expensive because it's probably for the silk and the wool, but it used to be $320 full price, and then it goes down to $160 for the outlet price, and then there was an extra discount. And then let's move on to the shoes that, if you don't remember, look like this. You won't believe how much I paid for them, because they used to be 500 something. I'm not sure about the price that at the store were, like 520 I think, but there was a lot of discount and there were like 2 numbers left. Thank God it was mine, and I paid $48. Woo! I mean, $48 is less than Nike sneakers. So yes, $48 for Miu Miu. Beautiful, amazing shoes. Next we have the Gucci scarf, 100% silk. I'm not sure how much it was before, but I paid $120. I'm sorry, I'm saying dollars for everything. I mean euros, but bear with me. I got a little confused. So I said scarf is 120. Then we moved to the purse, which was 50% off, but it was still a lot of money. It was full price, 1,500 something euros, and I paid 780 euros. So it's still a lot, but not bad for a Chloe bag, especially because I love it. And then the shirts that I showed you from CookingCakeShow were 20 euros. Okay, so very cheap, but 100% linen. I always check the material. And last but not least, actually 2 more things. Prada polo for my husband was 90 euros because it wasn't on sale, as you can see here. And then the Hugo Boss shirt was 30 euros, so super sale, especially because after the summer is over, they do summer sale like everywhere else in the world, so you can find very good sales and prices. So last but not least, I'm gonna close this video because I'm afraid it's gonna be too long, where I went to do all this shopping. The Prada and Miu Miu and Hugo Boss outlet, it's in Marche, where all my family is from. It's in Civitanova Marche. I'm gonna leave a link down below with the address and everything. I think it's great because you can find amazing sales, amazing prices, because the factory is close to there, so they have a lot of stuff coming directly from the factory. And there are other stores too, but those 2 are my favorite. Everything else, the Chloe and the Gucci purchases, I made at the mall in Florence. You can see it here. Great sales too, but a little bit more expensive than the other one. But they have so many brands. They have Fendi, they have Chloe, they have Gucci, Prada again, Armani, Valentino, so many. I can't even tell you all the stores they have. So I love them first. So that was it for the video today. If you arrived to the end of the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Leave a comment down below if you like what I got, and I'll see you very soon with a new video, which is gonna be back in America. So I can't wait to be back because it's been fun being in Italy for a month, but now I have to go back to real life. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!